Hello to my two funky best friends and anyone else who's wandered across this video. Today, I'm going to be doing a full face of affordable makeup. I'm using the Holi Pop BB cream. I think this is the only shade they do. For me in summer, this was too light. So the fact that it's too light for someone who's my skin tone tells you they need a wider shade range. I'm going to be using two stick kind of contour bronzer things. Nip and Fab contour sticks. I believe these are called the Fix Sticks. I'm still not sure if they're still doing these. So I'm going to take my Pears Soap, which I've melted into this lovely tin here. Very end of the tail, I just take the spoolie and just take it down. And then do the same on the other one. My nails are quite long.
And that cues the voiceover. So I'm just priming my eyelids with the NYX eyeshadow base and taking the Beauty Bay Fiery palette, starting with the shade Honey Roast in the crease with a fluffy brush. And I'm going to blend that out with Peaches and Cream, which is a little bit closer to my skin tone.
I'm trying to wing it out a little bit more. This is quite an unusual brush shape I'm about to use. So it's angled, a little bit fluffy, but kind of flat. You could use a small blending brush, you don't have to use this. I haven't cleaned any of mine, so I'm going to use this.
So I'm going to deepen up that outer V with Caramel Sauce.
And work your way in. That is inwards of your eye. I've just built that up and added some more onto the lid and taken that into the inner corner. So I'm going to use the e.l.f. liquid glitter and then use my finger just to diffuse it slightly. Wow brow and dark brow. I'm using teeny tiny amounts. These blushes are an excellent dupe for the Glossier Cloud Paint. Physicians Formula. I'm going to tap back into that fiery palette. And we're going to go for all that glitters. Eyeliner. Okay, I have two to choose between. I can either go black, or I can go brown. I start in the center of the eye and just do like a little, I stamp it with the edge of this. I follow along the lash line. I let it get a little bit thicker as it goes on. I'm going to go from the end of that line, which follows on from my lash line, and follow the shape I've made with the eyeshadow. Next, to fill that in, I'm going to go right in the kind of angle bit. I'm going to fill in the angle. Little bit more. This is one of the Revolution eye glistens. I'm going to take the chrome side when you wear them on the lid. These do break up like awfully. And just don't mess with it too much because it doesn't like that when you do that. It doesn't like it. It doesn't like it. Don't do it. Leave it alone. Okay? 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. 1. This is the Coty Airspun. Gives you a bit of extra coverage too. I'm going to look up. I'm just going to sweep that, and then nose and forehead. Chocolate souffle on a little stubby blendy boy. I'm just gonna, I've already got mascara on my upper lash line. Does this look cool for lashes? Yeah. Am I gonna put them on? No. That's the look. Drugstore. We've established that there's something in my eye. ASMR.